Today, France is one of the world's leading producers and consumers of wine. As the owner of over 2,000 hectares of vineyards, Domaine-Listal is one of Europe's biggest wine-growing landowners. The company is part of the Vranken Pommery group and has developed a system of sustainable land management in its vineyards that it says ensures its wines continue to be some of the world's finest. Using a system of sustainable viticulture, farmers work at cutting down on the systematic use of treatment products and chemicals in the process of grape cultivation.
We protect the environment, for example, in using no chemical killer for the weeds in the vine. We plow the ground. It's a traditional way, and it is very good for the biodiversity.
Over 100 kilometres of water drainage canals, known as rubines, are maintained by Listal in the sands of the Camargue bordering the vineyards. These areas feature an extraordinary biodiversity that provides shelter for over 37 types of fish and 178 bird species, all carefully monitored by in-house biologists. Vineyard managers follow a strict policy of ensuring there is 1 hectare of uncultivated land for every hectare of vine.
The uncultivated land is very important for protecting the numerous birds, insects and plants. For example, we have 178 birds here, like pink flamingo, herons, partridge, etc. And some of them are found only here, and it's our job to protect them.
To prevent the mistral, or northeast wind, from throwing up dunes, Listal sows cereals between the rows of vines after the grape harvest. At the end of winter, sheep are brought into the vineyards where they act as reapers. They graze on the stabilising cereals and leave their natural fertiliser behind. This ongoing relationship, going hand in hand with nature, is now celebrated on the wine's logo, a pink flamingo. For Vranken Pommery, this commitment to the environment has paid off in sales. In 2006, over 46 million bottles of Rose Listal were sold worldwide. And it's not sitting back on its laurels. It has now drawn up an ethics charter comprising 6 values that it bases all its business practices on: environmental protection, product quality assurance, anticipating requirements, people management, communication with stakeholders, and sharing expertise. At the core of this charter is respect for the environment.
I firmly intend, like the rest of my generation, to do as well as our ancestors. And this is extremely important because it is in our genes. It is up to us to protect it. It is historic in our family.
By ensuring a good balance between agricultural operations and the environment, company executives are confident of the ongoing growth of the business, ensuring the long-term survival of flora and fauna at Domaine-Listal.
So we consider that for the business it's important to protect the environment, because it's best to have a sustainable business. Second, to have not expensive processes, because when you use a lot of chemicals, etc., it's very expensive, and it's better to let the nature make the job. And for the brand Listal, we want that the consumers know that Listal is a business which protects environment, and it's important because viticulture use in general more chemicals than other cultures. So it's necessary to say to the consumers that in Listal it's not the case.